Hi guys! As you can see, today we're going to build a 5-level maze for a hamster.
Hooray, Susie! I'm very busy. Call me when it's done.
Okay, Sammy. But this won't be a simple maze, it's going to be a Lego maze. Let's start with the upper level. It's the easiest one. First of all, we need to make the base of our first level. See? This way. Don't forget that in every layer, except for the last one, you should make a hole like this, so the hamster can pass from one level to another. Time to make the walls. I advise you to use long pieces for the first row. Let's connect the basement pieces with each other. This way, our construction won't break. Let's use different colors to make an interesting pattern. It's better to put the piece at the junction of the previous two so the system is more solid. Finishing the walls of our hamster. Okay, done. On the top, we put some fortress elements so Andy can feel like a knight. Let's add some bright lanterns on the corners. Now that's better. Let's move on to making the inner part. First of all, here's the finished window. And even if it's hard to squeeze through this gap, I'll close it with a piece like this. The next step is the walls. Mostly they'll be white, matching the window. The first level is ready! Yeah, it's quite simple, but it'll get harder. 4 more levels are ahead. Phew! It wasn't as easy as I thought, but our 5-level Lego maze is done! Check out this rainbow Lego maze. The first layer's purple. Then there's green, yellow, orange, and the largest one is red. The easiest level we made together, so you know everything about it. Let's dive into the second one. It's green. Andy enters the start zone and starts moving along the passage. Then he passes this cozy tunnel and overtakes 2 barriers, like a horse at a track. Then this little passage brings him to the 3rd level. Visually, it's divided into the blue and purple sections. Andy lands here, and the first thing he sees is this door. Welcome! Here we've got a whole snake of so-called greenhouses. Hope our friend won't fall asleep there. Here, Andy can rest on soft straw. He deserves this after 3 levels passed. And then, he finds the brightest level. I call it the lab. And it's the 4th level. Carefully get around the barrels, take a little passage with some flowers. Reaching my favorite part, the giant swing! After that, you get the kingdom of windows. A window, a barrier, a window, a barrier. And finish! Flying through the arch to the last level. Oh, I love this one. We've got some straw for a break here too. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da! Here is the 5th brightest level of the maze. Andy will start with a warm-up snake passage and reach the giant labyrinth. Then there's the obstacle course and the rainbow slinky tunnel leading to the elegant exit door. Oh, it's so cool! I can't wait to put Andy in it. But we'll see it tomorrow because I'm a bit tired. Time to go to bed. See you guys.
What is this fortress? Interesting. I must explore it. Alright, quietly, not to wake anyone up. Looks like a labyrinth. Well, I like logic puzzles. Ugh, ears are itchy. And I like Lego too. Can I fit in here? Of course I can! What a silly question. Alright, seems it's another level. Let's see what we got. Hup! This tunnel's so perfect! Right for me! As Lego aim at hamsters now too? Cool! Okay, I think I'm on the right way. Oh, here's the door to the next level. That was rather easy. It could have made this door bigger. This level seems harder. Phew. I'm gonna take a break. Alright, time to search for the exit. Oh, it's so dark in here. No, wrong way. Oh, here. My hamster gut tells me the exit is somewhere close. Oh, there it is. Let's go to the next level. Wow, it's so bright in here. I call it a lab. Ooh, flowers. Smells not bad, but I prefer ficuses. Whoa, there are even attractions here. Cool. Phew, this level's a little messy. Takes some time to understand the route. My head's spinning because of all these turns. Good job, Lego. You know I'm done. Nice try, Lego, but I'm smarter. I'm at the last level. That's a simple passage. Let's move on. Hup. Well, no one's looking. So many things around. I need to think. Okay, let's just keep moving. Oh, I have to get to that white path. I'm very close. Run! Oh, I wasn't planning this night fitness. Oh, that tunnel's funny. But I have to go. Nice labyrinth, Lego. In fact, I got some ideas about Lego mazes to share. I gotta go catch a train! Sue, where's Andy? I found this note in his cage.
Oh, Sammy, I'm afraid Andy woke up at night and passed the labyrinth without us. Let's see what he wrote. Oh, wow. Huh, it says Andy went to the Lego office to test new labyrinths.
What? But who's going to go through our maze?
I know. Let's see the security camera footage.
That's right. Great idea, Sue.
Sam! Hey, Sam! Where are you? I want to show you something. Well, to be more exact, someone. Absolutely incredible! Come on, little guy. Oh, there you are. Watching Ninja Turtles again?
Yeah, I can't stop watching them.
Well, try. There's someone who wants to meet you.
Who can it? Oh!
Meet our possible new pet. We'll see how the rat will fit in here.
Oh, forgive my ignorant friend, Master Splinter.
What? Master Splinter? No, Sam, it's just a rat.
Don't pay attention to her, Master Splinter. She knows nothing about you.
Oh, Sam, your imagination sometimes really amazes me.
Hey, where are you going? Put Master Splinter back!
Let's give the rat some time to get used to the place. Don't bother him, Sam, or you'll scare him.
Me? Scare? No, I don't do such things.
Yeah, well, I'll leave for a few minutes. Behave yourself.
Yeah. Master Splinter, your most faithful student is ready to learn. Have you come to teach me the art of the ninja? Yes? I really want to learn. Please!
Sam, why are you bothering the rat? I asked you not to.
Well, I want to learn the art of the ninja.
Oh, Sam, he's just a rat. He doesn't know any ninja art, but he's very smart. Come, I'll show you something.
Fine. What have you got here? Are you making a craft?
Yep, Sammy, a craft for our rat.
Oh, a gift from Master Splinter! I approve.
Well, not quite. And Sam, he's not Master Splinter. With the help of these cardboard pieces, we'll build a small labyrinth for our rat, and you'll be amazed to see how fast he'll find the exit.
A labyrinth?
Yes! Rats are very smart. They can quickly analyze their surroundings and find a way out of the most complicated labyrinth.
This is very curious. I've never seen anything like that before.
Guys, do any of you have a pet rat? Write about him in the comments.
What will this labyrinth have?
Well, there will be a sort of revolving door, a tunnel, a bridge, a seesaw. Well, you'll see if you're going to help me.
Of course I will! There's no way I'm gonna miss this!
Great, then let's get started. I have some parts here. Go fetch a spinner, please.
A spinner? Oh, no problem. We have loads of them.
And meanwhile, I'll make a revolving door that will look like a piece of cheese.
Sue, will the spinner soap do?
No, Sam. We need an ordinary spinner.
Well, all right. What about a chocolate spinner?
No, Sam. A plastic spinner. The common kind.
Like this?
Yes, Sam, like that.
Oh, for the rat, I'm even ready to sacrifice my favorite spinner.
Oh, what? Sam, you haven't played with it for half a year.
Meh, mere details.
Oh, fine. Here, look.
A triangle? Oh, like a piece of cheese?
Yes, we only need to paint it.
Say no more! Charge! Yes, yeah. Done!
Oh, you're quick. Well done.
All these painting drills come off quite useful.
I'll glue the spinner to the bottom part of the cheese. Like this. The first labyrinth detail is done.
Ugh, it's hard being an assistant.
Oh, Sam, they're just small sticks.
Well, they're heavy, and I'm tired.
Well, go get some rest then, and I'll make a seesaw for our rat.
Get some rest and never know how a seesaw is made!
All right, then watch. I'll put 5 sticks together, like this. I'll glue this part made of a stick and some cardboard on. And another stick with holes to make the support. Let's connect the parts with a skewer. There! Sam, that's for the labyrinth, not you! Ah, stop whining, Sam. Look here.
Oh, is it a field?
It's the base for the labyrinth. Can you see the outlines for all the rooms? We'll glue the piece of cheese here. And the seesaw here.
You also mentioned a bridge.
That's right, the bridge is made of 2 parts. The base, which looks like a roll, we'll glue it here. And the bridge itself, we'll glue it in 3 places.
But it doesn't look like a labyrinth so far. I can see everything really well.
You're getting ahead of yourself, Sam. First, we'll glue on all the parts, and then we'll make the walls.
What is this part?
A tunnel! Let's put these holders on the ends of the tube. Will you find the place for the tunnel?
Let me think. Here?
No.
Maybe here?
No, Sammy. The tunnel will be right here.
Oh, well, all right. How am I supposed to know your plans? Guys, if you want to see more videos with animals on our channel, subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell button. It looks like a basketball field.
Yep, that's what it is. What if our rat likes sports?
Well, he has lots to choose from.
Right. I'll mark the start. And the finish. And now it's time to put up the walls. We have walls with holes. And without them. And of course, the entrance and the exit. the last wall.
Don't forget the tunnel!
Of course I won't. There. We'll have this little gate at the start, or the rat will simply run back out.
Aren't you forgetting something?
Do you mean the roof? I remember. Come here. Let's cover it carefully.
Oh, will the rat have enough air?
Of course, Sammy. There are lots of holes here that will let the air through.
Phew. All right, then.
Shall we call our guest?
And the rat enters the labyrinth.
We'll close the gates.
Where will he go?
The rat passes the revolving cheese door.
Well done.
And he comes to the basketball court.
Do you think he'll want to play? Will he go to the bridge? Nope, he's figured out it's a dead end, and through the tube he goes!
Right, just a bit more.
Wow! What a jump!
And exit!
Yay! Wow, Sue! I hope you can see now that he's too smart for an ordinary rat. It's Master Splinter!
I can see it, Sammy. I'm sure he'll be happy to teach you the art of the ninja. Guys, give us a thumbs up if you like this labyrinth for our rat, and share this video with your friends. Bye-bye!